Number one is Dropbox Paper. It is an online document workspace where you can organize and display text, media, and files all in one place. Paper lets you easily collaborate with others and access your paper's documents from everywhere. It is also a free online word processor, real-time collaboration tool, and project planner, all in one. Available on the web, iOS, and Android. Just like a word processor, Paper gives you a number of ways to create documents. Dropbox Paper is more than a document. It's a co-editing tool that brings creation and coordination together in one place. Number two is Office Online. Office Online is a free basic version of the most popular programs in the Microsoft Office suite. It lets you create Word documents, Excel, spreadsheets, and more without having to buy or install software. Office for the web is formerly Office Web Apps. Opens Word, Excel, OneNote, and PowerPoint documents in your web browser. Office for the web makes it easier to work and share Office files from device with a supported browser and an internet connection. Microsoft Office Online is a suite of online applications that lets you create Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and more. You can store the documents you create, plus any other files you want, on Microsoft OneDrive, an online file storage service. The main purpose of an office environment is to support its occupants in performing their jobs. Workspaces in an office are typically used for conventional office activities such as reading, writing, and computer works. The apps are responsive and have enough features for those looking to create, edit, and collaborate on basic documents, complex spreadsheets, and engaging PowerPoints. For individuals and even small businesses, they give Google Documents a real run for their money. For Microsoft Word and Office aficionados, the best possible free online alternative for their document editing needs is Word Online, which comes as part of the Office Online suite. Although free MS Word or Microsoft Word web app is not a full-fledged version of its paid counterpart, it allows you to open, create, and edit Word documents online. Also, it offers some additional benefits of online software tools. For example, enables you to access and see updates from co-authors literally from anywhere in real time with only an internet connection and the latest 2016 version. You can share and collaborate on documents. An equally alluring feature of Office Online is its cross-platform compatibility. So, if you're a Chromebook or Linux OS user, MS Word web app is the most elegant way to get access and to Microsoft's document editing features for free. Number 3 is Google Documents. Google Documents allows you to create, collaborate, and share documents spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, and even forms. Google Documents is packed with features, which can be further extended with various add-ons. While it will automatically save the file online and store it there, you can also have the documents published as a web page, downloaded or emailed as an attachment in Word, ODT, PDF, plain text, or RTF formats. You can invite collaborators to work on the document with you or only allow others to view without the ability to edit. If you are apprehensive of to depend on the internet connection for document processing, don't worry. You can enable Google Documents offline access and keep editing your documents even when you are disconnected from internet. All it takes is a free Google account. So the type of Google Documents are documents word processing, sheets spreadsheets, first slides presentation builder, forms the survey builder. With Google Documents, you don't have to worry about emailing your work to yourself and digging it up later. It's all stored in the cloud. You can log into your Google account and access your document from any device at any time. This adds a level of flexibility to how you work. You can write and edit on the go. Etherpad is an online document editor primarily intended for collaborative editing in, as the site claims, really real time. It's an open source, highly customizable tool for online document collaboration with friends, fellow students, and classmates, or colleagues at work. One of its advantages, especially appealing to users who are reluctant to use services which require email registration, is that there is no sign up with Etherpad. All you need to do is start a new pad and share the link to it with your collaborators. You can also invite them by email if you prefer. After that, you can start working on the planned writing project together in real time, even if you are miles apart. An open source web-based collaborative real-time editor, allowing authors to simultaneously edit a text document and see all of the participants edit in real time, with the ability to display each author's text in their own color. It allows you to edit documents collaboratively in real time, much like a live multiplayer editor that runs in your browser. Write articles, press releases, to-do list, and etc. Etherpad was launched on November 19, 2008 by David Greenspan, Aaron Iba, and J.D. Zamfirescu, the latter two being former Google employees. They were later joined by former Googler Daniel Clemens and designer David Cole. Etherpad is built to help professionals, authors, and students create documents and edit them in real time. This platform is highly customizable and offers users with a truly collaborative environment. It comes with a web-based editor that enables users to set up pods or collaborative online documents so they can work on the same files simultaneously. It also has a built-in chat box that keeps everyone connected. A version control feature is also available, which lets users view and retrieve old versions of documents and save the version they need anytime. Also, there is a time slider that can be used to review existing events as well as export and import features, which help users convert documents to several different formats and save collaterals for future references. Etherpad is a simple to use, a multiplayer text editor which supports synchronous document editing and collaboration, making Etherpad a solid option for teaching and learning. Number 5 is Zoho. Zoho offers around 20 free online applications including Writer for word processing. You can link your Zoho account to your Google and Yahoo accounts as well. The Writer's interface should not cause anyone problems as it is comfortably familiar. When working online, there is always the risk of losing data due to a lost network connection, accidentally closing your browser, or having your browser crash. Luckily, Zoho automatically saves your documents for you. As you save finished typing, Zoho Writer is well equipped with features that allow you to work easily online. Two-way desktop synchronization, large file transfer, encryption, file recovery, two-step authentication, in-app chat, and more. You can import and work with MS Word documents, allowing you to insert images and edit content as needed. Zoho Writing offers all the standard text formatting and document creation features and can export to docs, PDF, ODF, LaTeX, RTF, and text, and even HTML. It can plug into EchoSign for digital signatures, publish the document to a blog, or make it public for all to see. Zoho Documents is completely free to use. Zoho as a single repository to bring your sales, marketing, and customer support activities together and streamline your process, policy, people in one platform. Zoho is a software company started in 2005, has built applications that compete with Google and even Microsoft. The vendor believes it can stay in the game by having a quick development cycle that adds new features to their products faster than the big guys. The name Zoho was the result of the abbreviation Small Office, Home Office, says founder Sridhar Vembu. Before, the company's tagline is Made in India, made for the world. Number 6, Open Office. The OpenOffice package includes 6 programs that use the same engine, making them inherently the same and extremely easy to learn and use. The 6 applications included in the OpenOffice suite: the Writer or Word Processor, Kale Spreadsheets, Impress the presentations, Draw the graphics, and Base the database manipulation, and mathematical equations. Writer can even natively do some things that Word cannot, like open PDF files without the addition of a plug-in or commercial add-on. As the software is open source, it is maintained by a large community, meaning help and bug fixes are freely available and quickly created. This is perhaps the leading free desktop alternative to Microsoft Word Office. You can install this suite in Windows XP to Windows 10, Mac OS or the OS X, and Linux. OpenOffice is the leading open source office software suite for processing spreadsheets, presentation, graphics, databases, and more. It is available in many languages and works on all common computers. Open offices are more cost-effective than traditional cubicles or private office. With less overhead, you can ensure each employee has the necessary space and equipment to conduct business. Just think how much you can save when you don't have to buy large individual desk and cubicle walls. Open plan offices are said to enhance communication, teamwork, and innovation. However, they aren't for everyone. While open plan offices can be a great way to stimulate productivity and collaboration, they may also hinder an employee's work performance. The main difference between an open versus closed office design is rooted in their layouts. An open office design features a little to no closed partition, whereas in a closed office design, the layout is divided into cubicles or features multiple closed partitions. Number 7 is AbiWord. AbiWord is a free word processing application very similar to Microsoft Word. It is available for Linux distributions only. The software is fully compatible with not only Microsoft Word but also OpenOffice org, WordPerfect, rich text format, and more. It has advanced document layout compatibilities or capabilities and can do mail merge as well, which allows you to automatically fill in specific form fields in documents with information from databases and comma-separated or tabbed text files. It is a highly useful feature if you need to work with many formats at the office. Additionally, the software can be enhanced and expanded with freely available plugins that will give you even more features and functions. AbiWord is a free word processing program. It is suitable for a wide variety of word processing tasks, but remain focused on word processing. AbiWord is meant to remain relatively lightweight and support many file formats. Additionally, it offers support for WordPerfect files, documents in the rich text format, HTML, web pages, and etc. AbiWord is definitely worth a try if you're looking for simplicity. It has been around for a while, and although its appearance may be a touch archaic, its functioning is not. AbiWord is an open source word processing software that helps businesses generate, manage, and share documents on a centralized platform. Supervisors can utilize multiple layout options, add tables, lists, image, bullets, or footnotes in files according to requirements. Jarte. Jarte is based on Microsoft WordPad engine, but is still free. There is a paid version of the software that adds on some extra functionality, but the free version is more than adequate and fully compatible with Word and WordPad documents. Features include an ergonomic tab interface, small resource requirements, portability, support for touch screens, and quick loading time. It also has built-up spell checking and can export to HTML and PDF files. Jarte allows you to insert images, tables, hyperlinks, and everything else that you have come to expect from Word. Jarte is a lighter alternative to the feature-laden Microsoft Word. Jarte makes a great replacement for both the WordPad and Notepad programs that come with Windows. The advantage of Jarte's approach is that its reliable word processing engine is created and maintained by Microsoft's software engineers. That also ensures documents created with the WordPad engine will be compatible with Microsoft Office Words. Number 9 is WPS Office 2016 or 2016 free. Is a free document processing suite whose WPS Writer app will serve you well as a Microsoft Word alternative. WPS Office 2016 free can be opened and saved to a long list of popular file formats native to those applications like DocX or Docs, Doc, and more. You can get the application in languages other than English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Polish, and Russian. The suite has the same familiar look and feel of MS Office, with one exception. It has a tab viewing window, so you can open more than one document at a time. And also worth mentioning is WPS Cloud, the company's cloud document storage service that offers up to 1 gig of free storage that you can use. This is perfect if you're trying to find a free Word alternative that's not only scalable for teams, but can also be as collaborative and seamless as its Microsoft counterpart. WPS is an excellent alternative that has come out to the ever powerful Microsoft Office. The entire program, a suite, consists of similar platforms to Word, spreadsheets, presentation, and even adds extra features that Microsoft does not have, such as 1 gig of free online storage. This storage platform, called WPS Cloud, can be used for sharing and uploading files through the internet. When you open WPS, it looks nearly identical to Microsoft Office, with even certain tabs and tools being in the same place. If you wish to or are accustomed to different layout, the interface can be customized to a different version with a simple click. Each application in the suite can be customized to your liking and be different from each other in how their user interface is. Ever had to switch between documents in Office constantly? With WPS, you can now tabulate different documents that allow switching between two documents or multiple extremely easy. You can edit the layout of the document, such as indents, in the same way you can suit Office. WPS is wireless connectivity offer greater flexibility to users to move around freely within the network coverage area without being hardwired. It provides freedom from complex wire connections and its maintenance. Apart from flexibility, consumption of huge physical media like cables and accessories are saved and reduces the cost of wireless setup. Need for wireless connectivity has got accelerated with the advent of mobile computers, tablets, smartphones, and it had become a new norm in the office LAN. Shop floors, in the factory and public places like railway stations, malls, bus stands. The penetration of these new concepts into the home front is faster and provides seamless connectivity to multiple gadgets like TVs, laptops, phones, smart AC, and smart fridge. WPS addresses the above concerns, and his article let us examine its features in detail. WPS is an easy and simple way to establish a wireless network without foregoing any security aspects. Any devices can get added into the Wi-Fi network with a simple connection, and it requires SSID and password to complete the connection. This extra layer prevents hackers from getting into the network. It is a free software that allows you to create, edit, view, and print PDF files. Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS, addresses the above concerns, and in this article let us examine its features in detail. Users have to struggle to get a service set identifier, or SSID, a sequence of characters that uniquely names a wireless local area network, or WLAN, and also security key. Users will have to search and select the network shown in their device, and password will have to be entered into the device, as well as Wi-Fi routers or access points. It may be an easy task for a network administrator to configure, but a home user who doesn't have any knowledge on the network will find it difficult to add any device logically into the network. With WPS, this task is simplified and the device will automatically get configured into the network with SSID and password. It supports several Wi-Fi 802.11 standard products VIS, access points, Wi-Fi routers or adapters, phones, computers, and other devices. This technology was introduced in 2006 by Wi-Fi Alliance to alleviate the struggle of home users and enable them to add new devices into the network easily. WPS setup has 3 entities as part of network VIS. New devices are automatically configured into the network and they are logically connected with least efforts by the users. Users need to have to know SSID and authentication key, and WPS inducts the new device automatically using the authentication key and use this key for future connection. The password cannot be hacked as the line is opened temporarily for a very short time. The line is closed once the connection is successful. The password is generated then there randomly and no one can crack. No need for the users to enter password. Information exchange between device and access point happens through extensible authentication protocol, one of the safest. WPS encourages more and more usage due to its simple and easy operation, especially in the home. And about the disadvantages, device cannot connected directly. Bypassing the access point are not supported. It will not support any ad hoc. It supports WPS certified and WPS compatible devices. Users will face difficulty in connecting non-WPS devices. Vendor support is not adequate as WPS is the evolving new technology. There are security issues in some of the routers, and users were asked to switch off WPS facility in such. WPS per se does not advocate any security standards. It simply implements Wi-Fi security standards in a simple and easy manner for the home user to reap the benefits of secured Wi-Fi connectivity. And lastly, number 10, SoftMaker Free Office. SoftMaker Free Office is another great free suite that offers a full-featured Microsoft Word alternative. The suite's TextMaker application allows you to focus on creating documents, just as you would in MS Word. This suite offers up essential editing features and evenly a handful of basic templates for creating and editing documents. Tables, charts, shapes, and graphics are available along with standard text formatting options. This application provides you with everything you need. The entire suite is available for Windows, Linux, and Android, so you can keep your document processing tasks going even while away from your desktop. Free Office versus Microsoft Office. While Microsoft Office is more expensive than SoftMaker Free Office, since it's free, Don't assume MS Office is a better choice. Evaluate your needs and compare them to each suite's features to see which is right for you. Both suites deliver sound core office programs, spreadsheet, presentation maker, and word processor. Most of the acceptable file types are interchangeable and the corresponding programs share similar features. MS Office boasts an email client, communication platform, and note-taking software as well. The advantage is streamlined software run from the USB stick, and the disadvantage is doesn't save documents, SX, and PPTX files. Advantage: intuitive menu, clear layout. But the disadvantage is simple packed with three programs. Though the advantages, good manufacturer support. The disadvantages, not available for iOS and Mac OS X. Advantages, possible to work from anywhere. Simple collaboration possible on individual documents. Always up to date and fewer functions. And the disadvantages is slightly slower than desktop program, less data security. And that's all. Thank you.